What's up, guys? John Muscarella from Side Hustle Experiment here. Today, I am still at the warehouse. It's about 10:20 p.m. Just a really busy day today. I talked to a bunch of sellers today about what's going on with Amazon, and I'm going to talk to you today about kind of how I'm going about sending shipments in and kind of navigating through this. So basically, I talked to a couple people today. The one person, really experienced seller, not really on social media. Their suggestion was to just ship as much as you possibly can. I'm in a very, I guess, they've talked to a lot of people. A lot of people are, that they're talking to, they have an inventory of about, 90,000 on Amazon, saying you can only have 50. Me, I am able to send in, I think of this morning, about 1,100 or so, but I did a couple shipments. You can see over there. Not really used to use a computer. Uh, but yeah, I'm down to like 850. And the reason behind it is they said that just send as much as you possibly can before they knock down the limits more. They think that is coming. Um, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. My girlfriend was awesome and came and helped me list. I got through most of the Gaylords today. Well, I did get through all of them today. Um, but in terms of listings, so now since I only have limited inventory and supposedly sell-through rate matters a lot right now, I'm only sending stuff that has like an E score of probably like 50 or above and is highly ranked. And I'm probably gonna try to merchant fulfill the rest. Um, as you can see, like here on the table, like these would all normally, yeah, all these books here, and even the books, I'll show you over here, they would all normally, oops, yeah, there you go. They would all normally go FBA, but I'm taking precautions. I'm only sending in the really good stuff. Uh, Stuff that's long tail. I figure that worst comes to worst, I could always change the MF listings to FBA if things get better or if I happen to have a lot more space. Um, but yeah, so basically just making sure to get as much as I possibly can out. It has been, I'm doing it myself because my lister does work full time. So they usually do it on the weekend. But with everything going on with Amazon, I just wanted to get it out. So yeah, back to listing. Yeah, take me back. This is kind of like how it started. A lot of late nights listing while I had my full time job. But yeah, just getting that done and completed. Um, yeah, I mean, and it's funny, like now that this is all happening, I have people calling me saying they have extra books. They have an extra set of, like my supplier is now coming Friday again because he has a lot more books. Uh, all things that would be amazing a couple days ago and what I've been like trying to accomplish. And now it's like, oof, like I don't really have the storage, but I'm gonna make it work. Um, yeah. So there's that. And then to add on to it, my helper, he's going on vacation, so he's not going to be here probably until next Wednesday. And the following week, my lister is going on vacation. So it could be a couple late nights here. Um, but yeah, if you're new to the channel, this is kind of the warehouse. I need to do an update tour. That's basically back there, like all the buyback stuff. Sell back your book is coming tomorrow, so there's pallets for them. And this is kind of like the main area right there. This is like the listing table. This is the lift. I probably should be doing this because the place is a freaking mess right now. We did get through so many books. There's books that are conditioned everywhere. You can see over here, this is all like stuff Well, this is media from the last batch. I didn't even finish scanning all the media. This is stuff that's been set aside for eBay. There's more of that here and over there. Um, but yeah, I mean, you just gotta stay positive, guys. I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna start sending in as much as I possibly can, make it the best of the best. See how I like merchant fulfilling. I am still gonna venture into OA. I just haven't had much time lately to really do that. I was actually really hoping to do that, but now I'm getting more books on Friday. I might just sit on those and not really process them. I mean, I do have the space to do so, and maybe when my helper gets back, we'll just kind of bang through them real quick. So not sure there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, eBay's been pretty slow. Tomorrow, I actually have someone coming to buy kids' books. So yeah, this is kind of his setup over here. So these are all like kid chapter books. These here are a mix of kids chapter books and regular kids books. So basically, he'll go through all these, put whatever he doesn't want in this empty Gaylord. Sorry, guys. I'm really not used to using the computer doing this. My phone is about to die, and I can't find my charger right now. But yeah, I just kind of want to shoot a quick video, tell you guys what's going on, what I've been doing. Let me know what you think in the comments. What are you doing? What measures are you taking? To kind of wrap up, I'm only sending in really high quality books to FBA. I'm not sending in any textbooks at all. I will wait till textbook season. And yeah, just try to do the best that I can do with the limitations. And then really, probably this weekend, kind of really look into OA and get that started. But yeah, let me know what you're doing in the comments. If you learned anything new today about what's going on with Amazon. And as always, if you like this video, please like the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe. I really appreciate a lot of people have been commenting lately. I respond to all the comments. So yeah, keep leaving them and have a good night.